I'm gonna build my own tow bars. Let's go. What's up, my guys, and welcome back to Counter Steer Garage. Now, I used to work at a dealership, so I would have kind of free reign of the alignment machine, but it's been a few years since I've worked at a dealership, and I will never go back. So I've been kind of like scrounging around, you know, making my way, trying to get my car aligned for the last few years. I have a camber gauge. I don't have a setup pad, but my buddy Rob has one. We're gonna go over there and we're gonna set the car up fully. But the one thing that I've always kind of been missing, and the worst part about doing an alignment on my car now, is doing tow, because we just kind of use jack stands and a pole, and it's not right. So we're gonna do it the right way, I hope. I don't know. I'm gonna build them kind of influenced by like the Fliss Performance ones that the MX-5 Cup cars use. So we're gonna kind of just make like, I don't know. We're winging it. Come with me. Let's have an adventure. All right, so I got a little excited. I started cutting, I started welding, but I think I came up with something pretty good. I'm kind of copying the Fliss design, like I said. So it's just sort of hooks on the inside here. I'm gonna put like little adjustable bumpers in this area, but this is just for like a mock-up purpose. Drilled a hole that went through there. We got some electrical conduit, and I mean, I would say the rear is done. I think I might want to put a brace across just to kind of keep it from twisting, but I think it's pretty good. The front, I'm still trying to figure out the front. I went really simple on the rear, and I like the way it came out. The front, I don't know if I'm going to be able to go as simple, but I'm still trying to figure it out. So we're playing, we're doing some measuring, we're doing some cutting, and I guess we'll see. You know, we're just winging it today. But once I'm done, maybe you can steal this idea for your car. It's really only gonna work, this design is really only gonna work for my car or for the FRS. But if you got a welder and a cutter and some steel, I mean, you could build one of these for 50 bucks. So, cool idea, and it's fun. So let's keep on trucking. We're gonna put together, mock up a front version now, and then see if it works. This is cool. I like stuff like this. Projects. All right, so here's what I got mocked up for the front so far. So it's got like that little angled hook similar to the BG strings. I gotta still put some like screw bumper things on there to adjust the height, but we'll do that once it's all squared away. Now I've got a string lined up here to try and get the height of the hole basically. So it's gonna be about 15 inches, very similar to the rear. So I got to cut now a piece with a 45 up top, straight on the bottom, with a hole about 15 inches from the top of the cut. So let's do that and let's see what happens. So let's do one last mock-up before we fully weld this thing, but so far it's looking pretty good. It looks pretty good, honestly, and the best part is it'll be functional. So now we just have to go through all of the welds, finalize all the welds, fully burn everything in, and then we got to work on what we're going to do down here. I mean, that's going to work, man. I'll shorten down these poles. I'll put a little notch in them so that the string sits in them, and then that's it, man. We got tow bars. Let's do a little time lapse, fully weld these bitches down, and then we'll do one final test fit. I hate calling.
Remember what you're doing there?
Down.
Yeah.
4 turns. We're getting there. What do you think, Rob?
What do I think?
We're getting there.
We're getting there. Better than last time. We're off to a much better start.
It's because we
Sway
did the
bar's
sway bar.
disconnected. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you know, we're learning. We're new at this.
We haven't used the tow bars yet. I can't wait to use those. I'm kind of excited to do tow. Okay, I'm here and I'm not gonna move. Go look at it. Brian, I don't want to wiggle too much, but this is my
That's a good
this
number,
is my
dude.
cross-friendly happy dance.
That's a good number.
All right, time to use my new tow bars. Grease come from? Is that my diff leak all over your arm? Yeah, I have a diff leak. I know.
Your car's pissing on me?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't even honestly, I don't think it's supposed to be that color. You should get that checked out at the doctor.
It's amazing what happens when you go. Dude, we landed right on the marks.
That's what I said, dude.
Yo, this thing feels tight. It's not like tight like understeery, but tight like it feels really good. Very balanced and very smooth. We did really screwed up the setup at the beginning of the year when we did it, which is crazy considering how good the car's been this year. I got a feeling it's gonna be so much better now. We went a little spicier on the setup, a little more camber, all 4 corners. Got the corner balance done properly at a perfect 50.00. So I think the car is going to be even better, which is crazy to me. But yeah, I'm super stoked. And the tow bars just worked so well. I'm really stoked about those too. So I can't wait to use them again, honestly. I'm gonna put a coat of paint on them and yeah, figure out where I'm gonna store them, and then we'll go from there. But for now, that's the end of this video. So hit the subscribe button while you're here. I'd love you for that. Thanks, bud. And hit the like button. Tell me I'm doing a good job, and I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.